This is a 2005 Chevrolet Express 3500 4.7, and we are replacing the TPS sensor. This is the throttle position sensor. Para los que quieren aprender cómo cambiar este sensor, necesitamos una llave como esta. Este es de la marca Klein, que te permite accesar a lugares pequeños con este tipo de bits. This is a torx 20. Es una llavecita con un torx 20, and it got just two screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. See right there, we got two screws, and because we have the alternator next to it, you need something like this. See, right now, let me place this on top of the screw, which is a little bit tricky, but this is how it's done. This is like a mini ratchet for drill bits made by Klein tools, which allow you to place this. The other way is to kind of do it manually, grabbing the drill bit with a wrench, some kind of pliers, but it takes longer. It's easier with this. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching. This is the TPS throttle position sensor.